Kicles.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kicles. If you're new here, Kicles is a kids show right here on YouTube, where each week we start off with Introduction Monday, where we tell you about this week's theme and all the fun videos you're gonna see throughout this week. Hi!
Hi!
Let me introduce you to our new friends. Closer. This is Noura, this is Naya, and this is Sophia. They are old friends of Kicles. You're just in time, because I'm about to tell them this week's theme. Can you guess what it is?
Farm.
Why?
There's a farm.
There's a farm over here. Exactly, it is farm animals. Each day I'm going to show you how to make one of these fun Play-Doh farm animals. I've already shown you in one of the videos how to make this little sheep. Have you seen this video?
Yes.
You haven't seen it? Well, if you haven't seen it, you have to click right over here and view it. This week I'm going to show you how to make the cow, the donkey, and the duck. Tell me, what's your favorite farm animal? Dolphin is not a farm animal. That's your favorite animal, but what's your favorite farm animal? Dog. Okay, what about you, Naya? Okay, what about you? Oh, you all love the dog? Maybe I'll make also a dog and put it in this farm, okay? The dog looks after the sheep, right? What does the dog do in the farm?
The dog looks after the sheep.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Have I told you about an old man? He's an old friend of Kicles, and he has a farm.
And his name is Old MacDonald.
Exactly, Old MacDonald. And by the end of this week, we're gonna sing this song all together. And now it's time for today's game! Okay, so for today's game, I've written over here some farm animals, and each of you has a paper and a pencil, and you're gonna have 20 seconds to write as many farm animals as you can. Okay? And whoever farm animals match the ones I wrote wins. Are you ready?
Yes.
Count with me. 3, 2, 1, go! You can also play this game with us and tell us in the comments down below which is your favorite farm animal. Come on, faster! Time is running out. Keep an eye on the count. You have 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop! Stop! Okay, let's start with you, Naya. How many animals did you write?
4.
4. What about you? 6. Okay.
Oh, no, 5.
Okay, and you wrote 6.
But she didn't.
We'll count it. She'll get a point. But we'll see which one of you matches the one I wrote. Okay? Tell me, what did you write?
Cow.
Cow.
Sheep. Horse.
I didn't write horse. Okay.
Dog.
Dog. Oh, I didn't write dog.
Pig.
So you got 3. What about you?
Cow.
Sheep.
Pig.
Pig. Did you write pig?
Yeah. Dog.
Okay.
I wrote
You
dog.
got 3. Okay, I did not write dog. Duck. Chicken. So she matches more, so she won. High five. And I'll see you tomorrow to show you how to make this cow using Play-Doh.
Hi guys, hope you enjoyed this video and check out our other videos.